Hello friends, my name is Mas and this is my channel, Mas Crypto. As a channel, as you can see here, my friend, from my previous video, I recorded before closing this candlestick, and it was green, and I said that it will be as fake out or this fake breakout here candlestick, and it return and it turns to be a red candle. As you can see here, my friend, we ended the first wave here at this A, and I will update you for this in smaller time frame. Until now here, my friend, we are still having the same area and the same position, and I hope to update you with the newest counting for this area. And we started this bearish from this point to end this orange Y in this down. Until now here, my friend, I am waiting to see 5 waves for this down, and we start counting for this one, but I am waiting to start and to count the second wave to be below this running flat pattern and close below the 4 wave in this smaller time frame, and I will update you. Until now here, my friend, after this two red candles here, I will expect to see this ABC at this correction and maybe back again. This is my scenario to counting the second wave here in this point and reaching for directly to this smaller time frame for this 4 hour time frame, my friend. And after reaching for this deeply down here with this red candles here, I counted this as 5 waves here, reaching for this down with 5 waves, my friend, a small time frame. And after ending this, I can count this as maybe micro W or micro A, and started this A, B, C. Maybe this, we are still having this C. I have this A. I need to reach directly for the smaller time frames because I put this counting here, and then I will go for the bigger. Here, my friend, after ending this 5 waves, as you can see here, we end the first wave, and we have this the second wave, this A and B, and reaching for the C to end this. I have here this A and this B, and go down here to end this ABC. I can expect this to end the first wave, maybe the first wave here for this purple W, and we will watch another correction X and go down, reaching to my green box here, my friend, to end this white B in this loop. And I have here two scenarios. Maybe I will extend the first wave. Maybe we end this at this W, and after creating this A, it will be as X, and reaching for this down with Y and WXY to extension for this one and end here. Then we will watch the second here, and the same track here, my friend, to end this first wave. The same track here, my friend, to end this waves here. And my second scenario here, we ended the first wave here successfully, and we will watch this white A, B, C to end the second here. And I am waiting to see what will we have here in the next days here, my friend. We are see this shallow, and this is maybe consolidation here for this Bitcoin, and reaching for this down in this 1 hour time frame. I can see it clearly here, my friend. We moved shallow here around this yellow trend line, as we bought it here, my friend, in my previous video. And here, my friend, after reaching for this down, I count it as 5 wave. So I am waiting to see ending this C and go down to end this W and in this verbal counting. And my decision here for reaching for this wide here for this down, I am waiting to see 3 waves, W and the X and the Y, to end this YB. This is my expectation here, my friend, for this wide B reaching for this down. And my another scenario here, after creating this WXY, maybe you will watch another my another scenario. Here, my main target for this area or for this zone, we need three waves in this wide counting. A, B, C. This is the first one, and my another preferred analysis for the same weight to be at running flat pattern ABC, and for only this white B I will expect to see three waves W X Y, or maybe it will be at this W and X and Y. I need three waves here, my friend, for ending this white B. Maybe end here before breaking this low. Then I will expect it to see the C higher than this A, and this is the first one. But if we go here, create this purple W here and X and Y, and end this B below this low to create a lower low here, I will expect to end this C as running a flat pattern. This is my main two scenarios here, my friend, for how we will end this white B before breaking this low, or will breaking this low to create lower low. This is well decision to see if we watch this running C, or maybe see here higher high this A. This is my two scenario, and I recapped this for you. And here I am waiting to see this end for this purple W here in this low, and reaching for this down. I'm searching with you about this main scenarios here and the main levels here, and after reaching for this down, I can expect it to end this WXY, to end this gray this gray B. You can see it clearly here, but firstly I have here this before breaking this low, I will name this as BOS here, my friend, until now, until breaking this low. Until breaking this low, I will change it to be at change of character. So I will keep it only for 1 hour, and after reaching for this high and engulfing this final red candles here, and we didn't break this high only, so I will keep it or for this BOS here, because we didn't break this high to named it as change of character. So I have here this 2 BOS here, my friend. I am waiting to see what will break firstly, and until now here I can't see anything. Just I am waiting to see reach for this down to end this. I have here this W, and this XAB. See, we watch another C here, my friend. But I am waiting. If we go for down here, I will end this gray X at this point. I can know, you see this. I will break this brighter here for to see it, my friend. So I have here, I need to hear this WXY to end this gray B. Then we will watch this gray C here, my friend, to end this running flat pattern maybe, and go for this down to extend this purple W, or maybe I will end this white B here. Then we will watch if we go to create purple X and go down, or maybe go for this high to end this white C in this high. Until now here, my friend, I am waiting to see what will we have, and I will update you with this levels only here in my recording, reaching for this down and engulfing here also. And you can see we break this BOS here from this wave number 5 with this red, so we will watch this lower low, and I will remove it now. And I have, this is newest here, my friend, BOS here after reaching for this high. I am waiting to see, or this W, and yes, my friend, BOS here, because we didn't go to break this high. I will name it as this BOS for this 2 hour time frame. Reaching for this point, I can't see anything here. Just I'm waiting to see. This is high at 542, and this is 43, my friend. So this highest, this high. Uh, I am waiting to see what will we have here, my friend. Until now, to end this WXY, to end this WXY, I will keep it for this blue only. Reaching for this 3 hour time frame, we also breaking this red candles here. So I will expect it to see another low, here, my friend. Reaching for this down, maybe back to retest this 61,700, maybe reaching for this down. I have this change of character because we go to create this lower low here. Also, I am waiting to see if we go here for this highest. No, until now I can't see any levels here in this higher time frames, my friend. After breaking this change of character with this body, we watched this shallow correction here. I will remove it, and also I can see, I can see more red candles here. This is red candles is higher than for the green candles here, my friends. So I can see the seller here, is higher than the buyers. So I can see we will go for the bear direction against go for the pull direction. So I am waiting to see and go down here, my friend. After reaching for this down with this 5 waves here, we can count this A, B, C, running a flat pattern, and we start the final wave. This is only my old decision here, my friend. Reaching for this point, maybe you end this A, B, C, and we start the final wave. And I have here the first, second, third, four, five to end the purple W in this low. I am waiting to see what will we have here, my friend. If we go to break this W here, I will end this X at this point. But if we go to break this highest, I will extend this X. Until now here, my friend, I need to put it in one position, but I can't to see what I will have. Reaching for this 30 minute, and this you can see, I can't see any sign and to take my decision here, my friend. And reaching for this area, reaching for this highest here, and go for this down and reaching for this point also. I can't see any sign to detect what will we have here in the next hours. Reaching for this 30 minute, my friend. I am searching with you here. I have this lower low, and we didn't go for to breaking this W, and we didn't have here to go to this highest until now. So I can see another this I can put this as the POS here for this continuity also. And also I can see this highest green to be as change of character, my friend. This change of character will give me indication to end only this gray W. Until now here we didn't go for the stop to retouch this level to end this gray X. I am waiting to see what will we have here in the next hour. And I can search with you about this also. Reaching for this down, my friend, with this red candles, and go for this high and engulfing it. And also I can change of character if we go to break this high, but if we go for this down, I will change it for continuity BOS here, my friend. I will put it for BOS until watching this highest high. I need to breaking this high here, my friend, to change this BOS to be at change of character. So if you go here, my friend, to break this level, it will be at this a continuity for this area, and maybe we will watch this first wave and the ABC to be the second wave, and go for the third as I count for you. Until now here, my friend, I wanted to end this all shallow, my friend, reaching to this white B. This white B, if we try to end it higher than this 5, I will put this levels here. I need to see if we start with engulfing or maybe something like that. Reaching for this down to go for this lower levels here until this all. I can see this. I can see it engulfing to reach deeply here, my friend. So I will expect to see, and I will put this two scenario. The first one, I preferred it reaching for this and retesting this 58,500, reaching for this down, and my second white B levels as I will expect it. I will put it here, reaching for the top with this green levels. I will change its color only to be visible, reaching for this point, and I will remove this trend line because we have this channel. Reaching for this point here, my friend, and after going for this down, I have this W here, my friend, and if we watch this, its profile, its volume profile here, yes, we have this all shallow around this smallest green, around this 62,300. So my expectation here, my friend, if we go to break this W, we will continue for this down here, my friend. But if we go to create this highest here, and I am waiting to watch this highest for this X. I can expect it. See, I can expect it that if we go to with this fake out with this green for this level, I can expect it. We will watch another high here, my friend, reaching for this highest level. I'm waiting to see. This is my all analysis, but I am waiting to watch ending for this gray B with this WXY. This is my all analysis in this point. And if we try to watch this volume for this 5 waves, yes, I can see also this shallow waves around this point, around this 62,500. And my another volume here, we backed successful to retest it around this area. You can see we backed successful to retest the 63,300 with this A, and go for this down, and I will expect to see running a flat pattern with this W and the X and Y to end this B lower than the beginning, and we will go with this C. Until now here, my friend, I hope to update you with this all levels for this POS here, reaching for this highest level, and I am waiting to see. After watching this all shallow, I convert my analysis with bigger than time frames. I am waiting to see here, my friend, what will we have here in this day. After reaching for this point here, my friend, thank you for joining me in my analysis. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more updates, and let's share my efforts and my analysis with your friends. Thank you. See you soon.